Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We can do about factorization by e to the power of s squared. Next, we put s, the s go to the right and this one will go to the left. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now I will concentrate about this one only. We can do about factorization by the square root of y. Because the square root of y multiplied by the square root of y, we have y in here. The square root of y multiplied by number 2, we got this one. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so I will put number 2 go to the left. So this one we change by u. dy over the square root of y, we have 2 du. The integration of this one, we have number 2 ln of the absolute value of u, and then we put about c. About u, that is about this one. The next one, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to s squared. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. S, the s we change by this one. The integration of e to the power of u, we have e to the power of u, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.